Actually, when you think about it, though, Vietnamese accent and New Orleans accent is pretty similar. If you think about it. Do you notice?
No.
They go market. Like that? Market.
Ignore her.
When they say market, they say market. And it's like, you can take it as like New Orleans or Vietnamese, you know?
Anyway, we got invited to go to a student rally tomorrow.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
At 10 o'clock.
We're so excited. It's gonna be so cool.
know.
Supposedly like 1,000 students, I think high school or maybe all ages, I don't know, are gonna go, and they're gonna march from Lafayette Square to the mayor's office, and they're gonna demand to be put on the budget because apparently money keeps getting taken out of education and it's just not fair.
Yeah.
So we're gonna
be
go,
part of that.
Yeah, we're gonna be part of that. It's gonna be so much fun.
Yeah, I've never been to any of those.
No,
type of
me
things
either,
before,
so,
it's a really
yeah.
good experience.
Definitely.
But that was it for today's agenda.
Yeah.
And we afterwards was really good too.
Yes.
Because like after we talked to Gail, like, well, personally I talked to her about my quiz that I totally bombed,
Yeah.
and I got a point back.
Yeah,
so.
that's kudos
Yes,
for that extra
kudos.
point. Everyone
And
needs
then
that.
afterwards, the whole class met, without Gail, but the whole class
Yeah.
met, and we talked about our final project.
Right.
Because reflecting back on everything that we went through today, all the people we met today, we kind of figured that like a research paper is probably not the best idea to represent what our experience here.
And we really wanted to make it personal and just really meaningful. So we thought it would be a better idea to instead maybe do case studies instead of a research paper. So
Yeah.
we were discussing the possibilities of that.
I feel like every day our learning cluster gets more and more united.
I think so too, actually. I felt like we all came from different, classes and different groups of friends. And then when
Different purpose too.
different purposes. And then we've slowly been coming together and getting to know each other, and it's been really nice.
Yeah, it's been really nice. And like yeah, so we decided to kind of change the final project a little bit, and we're gonna talk to Gail about it
Yeah.
a bit more.
And maybe she'll agree with us on it.
Yeah,
I think it's pretty reasonable
Yeah.
because we feel like research is just so strict and dry, and
Structured.
no one really wants to read all these dry facts. I mean, I think people would be more interested to hear about what we've been learning here, what we've experienced.
and it's really meaningful for us too,
Yeah,
to be able to
exactly.
reflect in that way
Mhm.
rather than like a research paper.
So
Yeah, so we met
We met
for
about
that,
that,
and
yeah.
then right afterwards, some of us went to dinner
Yeah.
with Jennifer and
we
Julie.
went to dinner with Jennifer and Julie.
We went to the French
Quarters.
It was so much fun.
Cool. Yeah.
Oh my god.
It was like the ultimate like city experience.
Yeah,
It was
like
great.
so many lights and people and drinking and dancing.
stripping, and
yeah, it was amazing.
It was amazing.
we sound like really bad.
Oh
but
no, it really was.
Yeah, it's just the feel and the atmosphere,
Yeah, for real.
and like
it was
there
just
were,
fun going out.
Yeah, and we just kept on walking and just looking at stuff until we found a restaurant.
We ate at Cafe
Masperos.
Maspero,
Masperos, I think.
You're
Maspera.
so white.
Maspera. What?
Whatever.
No, but it was
good.
really good. Like
it was good.
I had the mufaletta.
She had Mufasa.
No, I didn't.
She ate
Simba's
Mufasa.
gonna like get mad at me.
Yeah.
But no, mufaletta, and she had a shrimp
sandwich.
I was gonna get
Legit,
that actually.
It was good.
Yeah, it looked good. But
was
mufaletta
good.
was very good
It had
too.
so much meat in hers then.
So much meat. I have leftovers.
Yeah, for sure.
But it was really good. And then afterwards, we
went to walk around like tourists, you know?
Yeah.
And we went into a bunch of like tourist shops, and we bought T-shirts on
Oh
sale.
my god!
Can
Can we show it to you? Can we show it?
Can we show it? Okay. Wait,
Can we show it?
Oh, you didn't give them their shirts.
Crap.
It's okay. Go.
No, I thought you were gonna keep it on there.
Okay. No, I can't. So it turns out my camera died while we were still talking.
No.
Well, we were talking about our T-shirts. So sad. But anyway, we can't show you the T-shirts
Yeah,
because
we only got a little bit. Yeah, because Jennifer
has them. Sorry. But anyway, it was a really good deal on T-shirts. Yeah, 4 for $20. Yeah. So after that, we kept walking around, being tourists,
And then we went to like a gift store,
and we saw a penis necklace and
and we went to a tourist thing.
what tourist thing?
Tourist center.
Oh yeah, we went to this tourist center, and this guy over there, he was so friendly. He was just being
So funny.
He was just being so funny. Yeah. Speaking Japanese and
he spoke
whatnot.
broken Japanese.
And whatnot.
Yeah.
And
And offered us like Southern hospitality. He offered us like
cheese puffs.
corn puffs.
Whatever.
They're
yeah.
really good.
He was really nice, and he was like, "Oh, come visit me sometime." So
So we're gonna go visit.
we'll
him
probably go
tomorrow.
back and ask him what good places to eat at. Yeah. Then on our way back, when we were walking back to the hotel, we went to Cafe Du Monde. Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was amazing.
So
the
freaking,
vignette.
oh my god, freaking, like, the powdered sugar on it was like snow. It was so mountainous.
Yeah, it was so crazy.
So
There was like powdered
good.
sugar on the ground.
Clogged arteries, man.
Yeah, seriously,
Like,
diabetes.
the first bite, so good.
It was so good.
Fresh,
Fried,
fried.
warm. Yeah, I feel like I'm getting fat.
You are.
Like here, I'm eating like so much like
As
junk
opposed
food.
to, you know, everywhere else.
I'm gonna just ignore that last comment.
Sorry, you're French.
Shut up! Anyway, ew. Do you know what she said? Her burp tasted like French fries.
It totally did.
It reminded me of
She's
my French fries
eating
when I'm eating
my
them.
burp flavor.
Ew! Ew! Don't say it like that. I'm not eating your burp flavor. That's so gross.
And she's enjoying it.
Ew! That's so gross.
Okay, yeah, so we're back at the room now. We walked back. It was so much fun.
It was.
Totally looking forward to tomorrow. Such a tiring
With the
day.
rally and helping
And
out
helping
the Blair
out.
school.
Yeah, I already know it's going to be tiring. We might have to sacrifice our lunch again. We should eat a big breakfast, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah. And now we're going to... This is like the third time we got cut off because my camera died again. And
Yeah.
I just keep charging it for like 2 minutes.
Her camera hates her.
Well, her camera died at the beginning.
Shut up.
So anyway, what we were saying was, now we're gonna go write in our journals
Yes.
and upload pictures.